What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that red button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, our line from yesterday did get broken, which was around like this. But it seems as though Polygon is continuing to trade sideways, as we can quite clearly see here. We feel really very strongly that this looks like it's about to pop, in our opinion. You don't often get sideways price action for like this for Polygon. As we said in our previous video, all the time when we're getting sideways action for Polygon like this, we did see big breaks to the upside. And as we can see, we have actually been getting some really nice pumps for Polygon recently off the back of this recent market-wide correction. We're currently trading at around $1.80, which in our opinion is amazing considering how poorly most altcoins have been performing. As we can see, Polygon only 33% down from its all-time high currently, where most altcoins, some of them are still 50, 60, 70% down and haven't received a pump anything like Polygon's been receiving. This bounce for Polygon has been nothing short of insane in our opinion. As we can see, things have got quite boring for Polygon in the past few days, some might say. As we can see, we're bouncing around this $180 level very, very comfortably. We're actually bouncing between $1.75 and around $2 here, as we can see. So we're kind of forming this little channel that we've been trading inside of for quite a while here, as you can see. But we are extremely bullish on Polygon. We really do feel like that this is going to rip one way or another in the next few days. From what we can see, it's been trading sideways, and considering the amount of interest that there is in Polygon right now, we think it's one of the most searched cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap and other coin analytic websites. It's got a really, really high amount of SEO on Google as well. So from what we can tell, there's a huge amount of interest in Polygon right now, and in our opinion, it doesn't seem likely that it's going to trade sideways for very long. Obviously, there may be some kind of bull flag in play here, which is something that we keep mentioning. It remains to be seen whether or not this will be confirmed, but from what we can tell, there's a very, very strong support here below 150 that's probably going to be respected. And obviously, as this macro blue trend line starts to come higher and higher up as time goes on, we're probably going to be seeing some nice bounces off of this in the future, maybe not even coming back down to this 150 level again to test. So from what we can tell, Polygon is trading sideways right now. The EMAs are actually looking bearish from what we can see here. We did get this bearish flip of the EMAs. So, but we have been bouncing around in a fairly comfortable range, as we said, between the $2 and the 175 levels here. So it does look as though, considering every single time that Polygon did trade sideways like this for any considerable period of time recently, it did get a very nice rip to the upside. So as we said, considering the interest that there is in Polygon right now, the most likely scenario, in our opinion, is that we start to build up a head of steam here, test this $2 mark, and then obviously once we reach $2, which is around here, I believe, we're probably going to be heading to the upside. And if we do that, then our first target is obviously going to be this 240 level, which is in and around here, which would be our first resistance. And then obviously if we can break that, then the all-time high around 270 will be our next target. So we do really think that Polygon is a great project. You don't need us to tell you that if you're coming and looking at these videos. And shout out to everyone that comes back every day to watch the videos, by the way. We really, really appreciate all of you. Everyone's always asking for more Polygon updates every day, so that's something that we've been doing for quite a few weeks now, and it seems to be something that you all enjoy. So massive shout out to you for coming back and continuing to watch, because we really appreciate it at the channel. Things have been going really, really well recently, so thank you so much. But as we can see, nothing much to talk about today for Polygon. Past 24 hours, as we can see here. Essentially, this is the past 24 hours, and not much is happening, to be honest. We're trading sideways, and this is quite interesting considering quite a lot of the market is actually moving quite a lot. There's quite a lot of volatility, so considering that the volume and price action is cooling off for the past few days for Polygon, tends to suggest to us that we're probably going to see a break to the upside quite soon. And our target would personally be that all-time high of around 270, because considering how well we bounced here, we do think that we're probably, if we can get above this $2 mark here, which is a strong psychological resistance, obviously, we do think that Polygon has the potential to run massively. As we can see, for most cryptos, looking at their charts, we've actually seen this ABC reversal pattern playing out. And if that was the case, and the ABC reversal pattern played out exactly the same for Polygon, as we can see here, we would be looking at a price target that is essentially around $3 or just above $3. So we would rip past the all-time high if that was the case. But obviously, as we can see, we're seeing some sideways action for Polygon right now. Probably because most people can't decide what to do. I think Polygon has had a huge bounce in comparison to most cryptos, as we said. So it seems very likely to us that now that Polygon seems as though it's cooling off for a few days, so people can decide what's going to happen. Obviously, we'd like to reiterate this 150 level does look like very strong support. And if we did roll and retest this, we do think it would be a very nice bounce, barring any capitulations in the wider market. Obviously, Bitcoin currently leads the market quite very, very heavily, but it seems as though with Polygon, it's bounced back much, much better than most cryptos from what we can tell. So we're very bullish on Polygon for this reason. It seems as though there's a huge amount of demand. Obviously, the past few days have been quite sideways, but we think this is largely just because people are trying to decide what to do. And with all the volatility we've seen for Polygon recently, it does look as though it's probably just coiling, as we can see here. And the bulls and the bears are trying to decide what's going to happen next. So in our opinion, short-term price target, we do think that it's probably more likely that we're going to bounce to the upside and retest this 240 level. And then if we can come back down and retest these areas at $2 as support, we do think 270 would be the next target. Considering the amount of hype that we've seen for Polygon recently, we do think we'd probably rip through this, barring any kind of crazy capitulations in the wider market. And then, as we've said multiple times now, $15 to $20 is our new price target for Polygon this year. Considering that that's only around a 10x from the current price, we think that's very achievable, considering how well Polygon has been performing recently. I mean, just look at this chart. It's absolutely insane. It's basically just a kind of hockey stick formation. So this correction actually might be a blessing in disguise for continuation for Polygon. Obviously, no one likes to see their assets go down in the short term, but we do think long-term Polygon's super bullish. And we'd be surprised if Polygon didn't hit at least $10 by the end of the bull run, which we think is still not over, by the way. A lot of people have been asking when we think the bull run will end, and if we think the bull run is over now. And we don't think that the bull run is over. We've just seen a lot of manipulation in the market, obviously. We saw lots and lots of Bitcoin being dumped on the market at points of weakness in a seemingly coordinated attack to dump the whole market in general. But we don't think that the market is over, and we do think it's probably going to recover, provided that we don't see some crazy capitulations for Bitcoin again. But we do think it seems as though the bottom is in, and with Bitcoin slowly trickling back to the upside, we do think the bull market's going to continue. Obviously, we were saying around September time, October time would be the end of the bull market before, but obviously with this recent capitulation and what it seems to be a mini consolidation period or a small bear market in the midst of the wider bull run, it seems likely to us that maybe the bull run might be extended beyond that point, maybe to November, December, maybe even the early next year, depending on how things play out. We did see a bull run like this in 2013, where we had like a two-stage bull run where there was a mini bear market in between. Obviously, this capitulation in the bull run usually does spell the end of the run, but we'd like to reiterate that bull runs usually end with massive amounts of euphoria and a blow off top on the charts. And this happens basically every time. But what we've seen here is a massive amount of fear and capitulation in the market. But markets don't usually end like this. So we'd like to reiterate, we don't think the bull run is over. Obviously, you need to do your own research and don't take what we say for granted. We could be wrong. But we do think that all the metrics strongly suggest that the bull run is going to continue in the next month or so once Bitcoin gets back on its feet. So that's our update for Polygon today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below to be entered into a chance to a brand new... oh my god, I can't even speak today. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway of a hardware wallet. There we go. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scams get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can access blocked content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.